Hi guys, in this video today I'm going to be showing how to quickly and efficiently convert HEIC files to PNG or JPG. HEIC files are a compression format that Apple devices use. So when you take pictures on your phone, they're compressing them or changing them for maximum storage and efficiency for their devices. And it's a relatively new format compared to PNG and JPEGs, which have been around quite a bit. And the problem I ran into was I upload my photos to either some cloud storage like Amazon Photos these days, or previously Google Photos. And in a different video, I will go in depth about my experience with both of them. But today I wanted to just download a couple pictures so I could use them for a different video that I had taken with my iPhone. And when I downloaded the pictures from my Amazon Photos account, but it would have been the same if I had downloaded them from my Google Photos account. I just go into there, select the pictures I want, and hit download. It will create a zip file, and inside that zip file, when I extract it, it will extract the photos. And as you can see here, the photos that it extracted is in HEIC format. If I go to it and try to preview it, it will give me a message saying the HEVC video extension required to display this file. Download and install now. So I could download some extension to be able to potentially display the file. That'll be good. I'll probably go ahead and do that. And when I go there, it just comes up with a page that says the thing you're looking for isn't here in the Microsoft Store. So I guess I can't download that right now. So that extension isn't available. But nonetheless, even if that was available and I could preview this, I still wouldn't be able to use this format in some of the applications I use, perhaps for video editing and video formatting. Over there, I need a PNG or JPEG, otherwise it won't be able to be imported. That being the case, I need a way to convert this from HEIC to either PNG or JPEG. That brings us to this website. I'll put a description and link for this website because it was a good resource for how I learned how to convert this. If I had a Mac, then I could simply select the pictures I want in their preview app. Let's take a look.
Open your HEIC images in preview, then click on File in the menu bar on top of the screen. Click on the Format drop-down menu and select PNG. Choose the destination folder next to where and click Save to complete the action.
So it's pretty straightforward on a Mac. Open it in your preview app, select the pictures, select the format, and save that so that the extra pictures get saved there. Now on Windows it's slightly more work, but it's not too bad. You come down here, go to the Windows stuff. They talk about this extension, but that's the same extension that I tried to install when that picture popped up and I was getting that error message. So I basically ignored all of this and I came down to here. Actually, I came down to here, this iMobile HEIC converter. Click that, it will open this page. And I tried dragging and dropping one of the pictures in here. It errored out. I'm not really sure why. So I just hit this download desktop version. That downloaded this executable. I opened up that executable, followed the prompts, and installed the app. Then the app opens up and looks like this. Very straightforward. Let's do one picture together. I already did one, so let's go grab one. For some reason the drag function to the app doesn't seem to work, but the select function is working just fine. So let's select that picture. I want PNG, but I could go with JPEG or JPEG or PNG format, but let's go with PNG. And we'll keep the date created. So let's go and convert. The other one had no problems either. View file. And it goes and makes this folder. It's a bit excessive, but that's all my picture is of a cabinet. So I needed it converted. It did it. Now I can use that PNG. Hope this video was helpful for somebody, especially if you're uploading pictures to some cloud storage and later download it and realize you can't really use your pictures the same way you wanted to. Maybe it'll be helpful. I'd appreciate a like and subscribe if you found this useful. It does help the analytics. And remember to click the links and support the page. See you in the next one.